doing something a bit different today, something we've not done in quite some time on the channel, and I was thinking this is for patrons, but obviously it's going to be up on YouTube too. So before we do get into today's video, remember, if you're on YouTube channel, subscribe at the bottom, click the like button, also click the bell notification button. That just lets you know when I upload my new videos. Also, don't forget, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Should be all at the bottom. And if you like videos like this and you want to see more awesome content, remember, follow me on patreon.com/AJFocus. Right, let's start. So, we have 2 items today that we are unboxing. I've already unboxed them, so I was just too excited, I wanted to see what they were, and to make sure they all fit together. Now, I do need to order one more piece to make this work, but I'm glad that the other piece comes with everything, because I was going to buy those pieces as well, but it comes in the box already, so that's a win-win. So here they are, guys. This is what we got. Boom, there's the first piece. What the hell's that, EJ? I peeled it off in a minute, guys, but make sure it is black. And the other piece is, here we go. So now you sort of get the rough idea of what's going on here. So we're just going to get this out the box, so now it sort of makes sense on what this is, hopefully, to some of you. Like I said, I've already opened it up the box, and there it is there. We've got a gauge, and all the fitting hardware inside. And there we go then, guys. So that's what we got for the Fiesta. Now, yeah, I'm quite surprised on this kit, actually, that it came, not this, I bought this separately, this didn't come in the kit, I bought this separately from another company. All links will be down below if you want what's shown here today. Not sponsored or anything like that, but yeah, if you fancy doing this to your Fiesta TDCi, yeah, all the links will be down below on the bits shown here. But yeah, this is for the air vent. Like I said, I've gone for the black one, sort of a stealth look. So, but I wanted one with the holes in it still, so it can still vent. I don't want it completely blanked off. There are ones out there that can blank off the vent completely, but I don't want that, because it might get hot behind there, and this sort of also lets out the heat that this might generate. So yeah, like I said, with this kit though, it comes with obviously comes with the vacuum hose here and the vacuum nipple as well. But I was going to buy these 2 pieces separately, but it actually came with the kit. So this is a like a sort of like an air filter for the vacuum hose. So this will go in between the hose somewhere, and then the hose will go onto the nipple. So it will go in between the hose and there, so it doesn't suck any like dirt through, and it might clog up the nipple and then it give you like a false reading. A sort of like a T-piece, again, is for the vacuum hose, so you can tee off into some place else. I don't know if I probably really won't need this piece, but it's good that it did come with it, because I was going to buy it anyway. But if you don't know about TDCIs, they don't use a vacuum from the actuator or any of the vacuum lines that go into the turbo, because it's, I don't know if there's enough vacuum there to make it work. I'm not entirely sure. Correct me if I'm wrong down below. Let me know what you think. But the only way to get this to come on and work with boost pressure and vacuum is you need a single nipple like this, just a single one, from what I've been told, and then you just need to tap your vacuum line in to a specific area, will be a boost pipe, and that will send vacuum up to the nipple. That will send signals inside there, through there, into the wiring, into here. Now this isn't, as you can see, it isn't a manual gauge or anything like that. It hasn't got a needle. This is actually a digital gauge, which I love digital stuff, so I wanted sort of something like that inside the Fiesta. Now it comes in blue and red, the colours inside, so I've got obviously opt for both of them so I can change the colours. I'm not entirely sure how you change colour. There's actually no button on here to change colour, so I'm not entirely sure. But the diagram it comes with actually tells you how to wire it up to get the white, orange, white, orange, white, orange, white, orange, things like that tells you, and then that's how you get the colours: red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. So I want blue and red for night, blue for daytime, red for evening. So I want that one there. So I need a white connect to power, and orange connect to parking lamp. So yeah, I'm not great at wiring, but this is, it tells you exactly where to put it, so I can just follow it off this. And then yeah, like I said, if you've seen my videos and you wonder why I don't do much wiring in my videos, it's because I don't really enjoy doing wiring on cars. I am also colourblind as well, so yeah, that's why I don't do much wiring on my videos. Yeah, it's just one of those things, I guess. But it's simple enough because it's got the diagram now and telling me where I need to put it, and I can actually work out what colours these are, because I know which one is green, orange, red, and I know which one's black and ground, so I know exactly what they are. But yeah, I'm thank God it hasn't got like purples and blues on there and things like that, because otherwise I'll be fucked. I can see what colours these are. But yeah, that's it then, guys. That's today's unboxing video. If you have enjoyed it, don't forget, give it a thumbs up. If you're excited for me to install this on the Fiesta, let me know, because I know a lot of you TDCI Fiesta guys out there are going to enjoy the install, because there's not, well, I've looked, there's no install videos showing anyone how to do this on the Fiesta. Now, I'm hopefully going to be the first one, and yeah, I'm looking forward to installing it. Like I said, I do need to order something else for this to work. I'm just about to order it. If not, I've already ordered it. But I can't install this yet, because also there is something else coming for the Fiesta. Another massive parcel. It's huge. This stuff I've ordered to make this work as well. So lots of big things are coming to understand why I've done this setup. Stay tuned. See you guys later on. Oh, I like that. I can't wait to see what that looks like. See you guys soon. Follow me on patreon.com/AJ Focus.